Hey guys, what's going on? Tony here. It's a little windy, but I wanted to do this reveal. So I just got my package today, ordered my new shoes. Let's check them out. I think they're Merrells, but let's see. So this is what I've been wearing. And as you can see, I usually just run my shoes into the ground. Like, the tread is gone. So I'm always looking for, I was mowing the yard, looking for a zero drop. So meaning there's no elevation in the heel. Once you get inside the shoe is flat all the way across. Pretty minimalist, you know, it's kind of enough to protect my feet against being cut. Certainly they're a step above like an aqua sock or something like that. But these have been great. I've had these Asics, bought 2 pair of these Asics off Amazon. Usually I find them on sale for like $29 to $35. That's when I buy them. I think retail price is around $80 or $90, but I haven't been able to get them in my size. So this kind of kills me because I don't usually spend this much on a new pair of shoes, but I've been waiting for too long and I've been just desperate to get out of those Asics. So let's see what we got. Now this is interesting. They sent me 2 boxes. Both of them are exactly the same. I kind of had a feeling that I ordered double, but I didn't mean to. That's annoying. So this is what they look like. I was looking for something that could kind of be a little bit of a dress shoe. Something I can wear in the clinic. For those of you who don't know, I'm a physical therapist. So, pretty interesting. A little firm. But like anything, I mean, it's a new shoe. So if we look at the brake, not bad. They twist pretty well. Again, they're zero drop. They're pretty lightweight. The only thing that I was a little nervous about was kind of that, you know, the way this tapered into the heel. And that's a little more kind of hourglass than I usually like. Like if you look at these guys to these guys, I know the color difference, but still there's just a little more hourglass to it. Let's slip them on real quick. And then what's annoying is I'm gonna have to return. Ooh, told ya, super windy today. All right, let's see what we've got. Trying to see if I can set this up so you can see the walk a little. So let's talk about the pros and the cons. I like the way it feels. I think it's got enough mobility. I just don't like that narrow arch. That's the only thing that I feel like what's going to happen is this middle is just going to kind of pour over it unless that breaks down and flattens. I don't know why they had to do that. The heel is a bit narrow. The forefoot is awesome. Like, the width here is just outstanding. And I love the way this kind of curls up around it just a little bit. I think that's great. Front half of the shoe, outstanding. Not so much a fan of the middle of the shoe and the heel. I'm gonna hang on to them. I'll give you guys an update at about the 2-3 month mark. Let you know how they're doing. Quality looks great, laces are fine. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.